This year we are celebrating Heroes Day, 12 years since the Parliament of Uganda instituted a formal method of recognizing heroes by enacting a law called the National Honours Award Act of 2001. It is also the 24th anniversary of marking the Heroes Day following the restoration of peace and stability by the NRM revolution since 1986. The venue for this year's celebration, as I have told you, is very important in our history because of its role in the 1981 to 96 War of Liberation. Many lives were lost in this area during the struggle. As part of this year's celebrations, His Excellency President Yoweri Museveni will thus officiate at the function for laying of wreath and holding of prayers at a monument at Wachato, in Wachato sub-county, in memory of the people who lost their lives during the 1981-96 Liberation War. At this site, 796 victims slaughtered by the state agents are buried at the site. We are also celebrating this important day in the context of the recently launched Uganda Vision 2040. The vision makes very encouraging projections for Uganda, ranging from raising the per capita income of $508 in 2010 to $9,500 by 2040, and the reduction of poverty levels from 24.5% in 2010 to 5% by 2040. Many developing indicators are also very encouraging. Average life expectancy is to be raised from 51 years in 2010 to 85 years in 2040. Thus, our heroes, both present and past and present, would be elated or would be happy, as would many patriotic Ugandans, if these projections bore fruit. Such fruits would be the best form of immortalizing these heroes and the values they fought for. However, for all this to happen, all Ugandans must jointly participate in this realization, thus your duty and mine. As we mark this important day, we are calling upon Ugandans to reflect deeply on the sacrifices the gallant sons and daughters of Uganda made, very often through toil, sweat, blood, and loss of life and property. Let each Ugandan get committed to protecting and consolidating the values laid down by our heroes and the achievements registered, and bravely face the new challenges ahead. I wish all Ugandans happy celebrations and invite everybody to attend.